Hi guys, this video is about keystroke action. So if you ever needed to simulate press on the keyboard button, mm, then this action is for that. So basically, key keystroke action have a really useful way to help you in the different scenarios, like for example, dealing with drop downs menus, or just navigating to the website, or doing whatever it's needed in the moment to solve the obstacle you have. Maybe pressing the page down button to scroll at the bottom for some reason, or pressing enter, or pressing the combination of the key. For example, Control A, Control C, Control V to copy and paste some data. Anyway, let me show you in this example how we're gonna deal with drop down. So basically, if you want to deal with drop down currently. We cannot deal completely with using the click action. So we're gonna use a combination of click action and keystroke action. So we're gonna use the click action to select this drop down. And what we wanna do here, we want to tell Automatio to click on this drop down, press this two times the down arrow, and then press the enter. That's what we want to simulate over here. So let's do it. I'm gonna refresh page right now very quickly, and let me show you how we're gonna do it. So as you can see, first I created this click action which select the drop down, and then I gonna use the keystroke action which is under the toolbox. And if you when you turn it on, you'll have this menu over here. When you press this button, enter keys, you'll have this model where you will record the key which automatically you need to press. So for example, if I press F button, it's gonna save this button. I can reset. If I press Control, it's gonna save. I can even press Control C, so it's gonna execute the Control C or whatever it is. So in this case, I'm gonna tell Automatio press arrow down button, and I can tell him press two times. So this loop means it's gonna press two times, doom doom. If I say 10 times, it's gonna press 10 times, doom 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 doom. And here you basically determine the speed of the pressing these buttons. So this is the first keystroke. Now I want to tell Automatio, hey, I'm gonna clone this action and say press this. Actually, press the enter button because I need to press enter, and I'm gonna change this to 1, and let's see how this is gonna work and perform. So before I run, I'm gonna just use preserve cookies so I don't get this so Automatio doesn't get this annoying pop-up out there. And also I just gonna use a screenshot so we can see actually what is going on when Automatio load the page, how it's look, so we can just compare. And at the bottom I'm gonna use another screenshot. So let's create and run and see how it's gonna be. Let's go to the dashboard. So if I go to the logs, let's see what's happening. It's navigating, waiting, capturing the screenshot, clicking, and now it's executing the keystroke, arrow down, enter, and now it's going to take another screenshot and done. So let's take a look at this screenshot. So basically, as you can see, it started with this drop down, which was selection was value was everything, and after it executing those keystroke actions like double arrow down and then pressing enter, this is what we selected, the top. So this is exactly what we had over here. It's like pressing the over here and then pressing two times the arrow, the down arrow, and pressing the enter. This is exactly what Automatio did. So this is how you can utilize the keystroke action. It can come really handy and save you in some specific situation when nothing can work. So be aware of the keystroke action. Let's just show you very quickly, quick example, another where you can use a keystroke action. So this beautiful website, call it cool colors or coolers or however you pronounce this. It's navigating just using the space. You can not navigate differently. So just using the space. So let's see how Automatia will do that. So basically, I'm gonna use first the weight and the screenshot. So we can take a screenshot before, and now I'm gonna create another one actually keystroke. And in the keystroke, we're gonna say press space, and yeah, now I can just clone the screenshot and clone the keystroke, and clone the screenshot and clone the keystroke. So we can watch in the slideshow how Automatio is pressing this space and changing the color. Before that, I just gonna use the preserve cookie option over here as well, so we don't get annoying pop-ups and get blocked. So create and run. Let's go to the dashboard. It's already running. So we have a first screenshot. Let's see how Automatio will press this, enjoying these beautiful colors. This is Automatio. They're pressing the space key and changing those colors. So this is the keystroke action. Once again, it can be really useful solving different obstacles out there, especially dealing with drop downs and websites which navigate through the keyboard. So have in mind, once again, have in mind that you can use keystroke action to solve some problems which seems very tricky or unsolvable at the time. Have fun.